So, have you heard about this new Text2CAD method? It's
No,
pretty
what's that?
groundbreaking in CAD automation.
Wait, are you talking about generating 3D CAD models from just text descriptions?
Exactly. They use this approach where they turn text into isometric images and then into technical drawings, like the top, front, and side views.
That's wild. But how do they ensure the accuracy of these drawings?
Well, they fine-tuned stable diffusion models to make the isometric images more precise. It's like, giving the model a better understanding of CAD-specific features.
Right, but diffusion models usually struggle with 3D consistency, don't they?
Yeah, that's a good point. But they tackled that by using these isometric views as a bridge. It captures multiple perspectives in one image.
So it's like getting a 3D feel from a single image?
Exactly. Then they use another model, fine-tuned 0, 1 to 3, to generate the orthographic views from the isometric image.
Interesting. But how reliable are these orthographic drawings for actual manufacturing?
They address that by ensuring physical and dimensional consistency. It's not just about visual appeal, but practical engineering accuracy.
Yeah, but converting 2D drawings back into 3D models is tricky, isn't it?
It can be, but they used a tool called Photo2CAD to reconstruct the 3D model from the technical drawings.
Photo2CAD? Never heard of it. Does it handle the complexities well?
It's actually quite effective for their needs. Plus, they created a custom dataset and fine-tuned everything to improve performance.
Creating a dataset must have been a huge task. How did they generate the textual descriptions?
They used GPT-4 to generate detailed descriptions of the CAD models. It helped in scaling up the dataset efficiently.
That's clever. But relying on generated text could introduce inconsistencies, couldn't it?
True, but they designed templates to guide GPT-4, ensuring the descriptions were accurate and consistent.
Okay, that makes sense. So did they test this method extensively?
Yes, they ran experiments showing that Text2CAD reliably produces high-quality 3D models from text. It's pretty promising.
I have to admit, it's impressive. But do you think it's ready for real-world applications?
Well, there's still room for improvement, especially in handling more complex designs, but it's a significant step forward.
Yeah, automating CAD generation could really boost efficiency in manufacturing.
Absolutely. It's all about bridging that gap between conceptual ideas and practical engineering output.
It's exciting to think where this technology could lead in the next few years.
Definitely. The integration of AI in design processes is just beginning.